So if you're tired of background noise like this, let me show you how to make it sound like this. Well now, this should be slightly better. Now audio can make or break your videos. Trust me, I know, and so I set out to find the best way to improve my audio by removing background noise. Now I'll be showing you how to do the background noise removal in Audacity, as most of you probably don't want to invest in software like Adobe Audition or similar software. But let's start the clock. This is but a simple audio test. After you've made your recording in Audacity, what you want to do is tell Audacity the difference between your voice and the background noise. We do this by selecting the noisy part, then clicking on Effect, then Noise Reduction. From here you click on Get Noise Profile. Now go and select the entire recording and go back to Noise Reduction. I generally leave the setting as is, but you can play around with the sensitivity and noise reduction until you're happy with what you have. Again, preview for good measure, and once you're done, hit OK. This is but a simple audio test. The noise has been removed, and if you're still not happy, just follow the same steps to fine-tune your settings. So I hope this helped, and if there's any other questions or you need help with any other audio related issues, let me know in the comments below. Subscribing helps me help you, and so help me help you. Stay awesome.